In this video, I'll show you how to restart your Roku TV and Roku TV stick. It's very easy and this can solve many problems. So to do so, you need to go over here, and if you don't see that, just press the home button on the remote control. This menu will appear. And once you're here, go into the settings, press OK, then go all the way down where you see System, press OK, and then select System Restart. From here, press OK. It will ask you to confirm. Press OK again, and it will take about 2-3 minutes. The TV will shut down by itself, don't touch anything, and will power on again. You don't have to press the power button, everything is done automatically. By doing this is not a factory reset. You won't lose any apps, you won't lose any personal data. It just turns off the TV and turn on back again. Hopefully this will solve the problem you're trying to get rid of. If this worked, or if you have other solutions on how to fix different problems on your Roku TV, please type them down below. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.